Aperol Spritz. It's John here. I'm going to make a cocktail to go with the pasta primavera. This is a very simple, very classic, very easy cocktail to make. It's called the Aperol Spritz, and you can make it right in the glass. So you get some Aperol, which is sort of like Campari, but a little lighter, a little sweeter, a little gentler, as it were, on the palate. And I just kind of eyeball a little bit at the bottom of the glass. Then I add orange wedge, squeeze it right in the glass. And then you top it off with some sparkling wine. You've got champagne, but you could use Prosecco, Cava, whatever you got.
You know, I think most everybody on the planet Earth knows how to make an Aperol Spritz, but I do love it when you make them, honey.
Well, you know, just trying to figure out what to make with our pasta primavera. And then you top it with ice.
It tastes like spring, it's bitter, it's sweet, it's light, it's lovely, and it's perfect.
And that's it. We're done. Very
Look
simple.
how quick and easy.
Very delicious. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, honey. Thank you. Mwah.